Hey guys, what's up? Daniel with Lion's Den Studio. Today I'm going to be showing you the process I went through to make some custom LED lenses for my acolyte mask. The materials for this is going to be 16th inch acrylic and some pre-wired 5mm LEDs running 3 volts. So let's get going. Now I know not everybody has access to a laser cutter, so I thought about it for a little bit and I came up with a couple more options for you guys. Option number one is going to be sandblasting. If you have access to an air compressor, you can pick up these little guns on the internet pretty cheap. I think I paid $20-30 for this one. What you're going to want to do is mask your acrylic off. Your options for that are going to be using either airbrush stencils, vinyl stencils, or you can tape it off by hand. Option number two is going to be a Dremel. You can cut out the shape of your acrylic, and if you have a steady enough hand, you're going to be able to etch your design in there. It's going to be a little bit more advanced option, but if you do it right, it'll look just fine. And there you go guys, there's a couple ideas for you. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you next time.